Hello guys, today I will show you this pen and his name is High Sensitive Stylus pen, and as you can see in this corner it writes its name. I have already subtracted. This pen has made it from aluminium. This flex is getting in the audio jack gate, and you are having it like a brelock.
This weird material is very good on touching.
And now we are going to make a quick unboxing. I subtract this paper. I am turning around the package. You will see some characteristics about this pen, and as you can see, is made it from China.
Now we are going to check if it's working.
As you can see, it works excellent. And now we are going to play Color Switch. By the way, I don't sponsor Color Switch. I don't care about this game. I bought the pen from Gearbest. Please visit this website. It has cheap items, and you can buy this from Gearbest. There are a lot of
Bergens.
there, and please visit this site. Is very good site with a lot of items.